share, and subscribe.
Do you remember David? Let's have a quick flashback. He is a genius. Welcome to part 2 of writing the alphabet letters J to S. Remember, with simple, basic strokes, you too can write just like David. So get your pencils ready and let's get writing. If you find this content useful, then like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Let's jumpstart with the letter J. You get it? J for jump. So to write the letter J, first start with a curved line down and a dot, like a fishing hook catching a smiley fish. That's fun, right? Now can you do the same? Start with a curved line down and a dot. Did you get it? Well done! Next is letter K. Kickstart your K. To write the letter K, first draw a straight line down. Then add 2 angled strokes to the right, one from the middle, and another diagonal line down. It's like a person doing a karate kick. Hiya!
Subscribe now.
Let's check out David's K. Well done, David! Now it's your turn. First, draw a straight line down. Then add 2 angled strokes to the right, one from the middle, and another diagonal line down. Now it's time for the letter L. L is for lazy line. Time for the easiest letter of all, L. Just draw a straight line down, that's it. The lazy letter that goes straight down and relaxes. You can actually write it with your eyes closed. Now you try it. Did you get it? Well done! Next is letter M. Start by drawing a straight line down, then 2 small humps like a camel's back. Do you see it?
Wow!
Perfect. Now it's your turn. Say, while writing the letter M. Start by drawing a straight line down, then 2 small humps like a camel's back.
Mine looks like 2 ice cream scoops.
Awesome!
N is next. If M had 2 humps, guess what? N has only 1 hump. To write the letter N, start by drawing a straight line down, then a little hump, and back down again. Can you see that it looks a lot like writing the letter M, but this time it has only 1 hump? Can you try it out? Draw a straight line down, then a little hump, and back down again. You're doing great. Letter O, the big round donut. The letter O is just a big round circle that looks like a delicious donut. To write the letter O, start at the top and go all the way around like a donut.
Can I eat my O? It looks delicious.
Not yet, but you can write it. Let's draw a few O's and turn them into donuts.
Wow!
You did it! Next is the letter P. Hop goes P. It's time to write the letter P. First, draw a straight line down. Then add a small curve to the right. It's pretty simple, just take your time and try it out. Think of it like half a lollipop on a stick. Can you make popping sounds while writing P? Good job. Letter Q is next on our menu. Did you know Q is like O's silly twin? They almost look the same, but Q has a funny little tail. Isn't that cool? Let's check it out. To write the letter Q, first draw a circle just like writing the letter O, then add a short diagonal tail to the right. That's it. You made the letter Q. Can you try it out too? Wiggle your fingers and give it a go. Fantastic. Keep it up. Last on our list is the letter R. R for rocket. Ready to blast off? First, start with a straight line down, then add a small curve to the right, like a mini umbrella handle. It's your turn now. Let's write R and get ready for liftoff.
Awesome!
Oh, that was amazing. You helped David write letters J to R like a pro. And guess what? There's still more to come. Hey grown-ups, here are a few simple ways to make writing letters more fun and less of a chore. Switch it up. Instead of always using paper, let kids write in sand, shaving cream, or even on a whiteboard. It makes practice feel like play. Get them moving. Try air writing the letters or shaping them with Play-Doh. Little hands love to wiggle, so give them something fun to do while learning. Add some music. Sing letter songs together because kids remember better when they're singing. And let's be honest, it's more fun for everyone. And most importantly, no pressure. Every child learns in their own time. The goal is to keep it light, fun, and encouraging. All right, everyone, that's all for today. Get ready for part 3, where we'll tackle letters S to Z. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and have fun. See you next time. If you find this content useful, then like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.